Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to boost your memory or how to upgrade your memory. I mean physical, like virtual memory, sorry. So it's perfect for you, it fits your needs, and it is enhancing your performance of your computer. So first thing you need to go to search and then type environment. You will click on the edit system environment variable, then it's gonna be the advanced section, then performance, go to settings, and then go advanced. Here you will find virtual memory. Like I put around 70 gigabytes of memory boosting, even though I have 64 memory, but I use a lot of things that consume a lot of memory. So you need to go to the change. Here just uncheck the automatically manage paging files size for all device. So you're gonna be check here, there you're gonna be let's say system managed size. So it's gonna be system managed size, gonna be check, or just you need to go to custom one and you will put like n gigabyte, which is you go to the calculations, and then you're gonna be put here I want you be have like 10 gigabyte of virtual memory. So you will type here like this one 10k 40 make that it is the initial size and maximum size. So here I make 10 gigabyte of boosting of virtual memory, that it is helping me a lot in browsing and enhancing performance for my computer. I hope you like the video. Like, share and subscribe.